NetWorker data domain device creation from the command line. On the NetWorker server, we can create a data domain device resource inside NetWorker using NetWorker's nsradmin program. So for that, we log into the NetWorker server and type nsradmin, and then V for visual mode. We use nsradmin's visual mode in order to create the device. Select Create by arrowing over and Enter, and then we select the device resource, NSR device, from the list of resources by tabbing over and pressing Enter on NSR device. When we arrive in the name column, first hit the delete key in order to delete what's there, and then choose a name. We have the option of putting in a comment or a description. Here's a comment. And then we get to the device access information. The device access information is important. It needs to be provided, and it's the data domain name or IP address, followed by the storage unit, and then the device name. The device name does not need to already exist on the data domain. NetWorker will create this device name on the data domain in the correct location as part of the process of creating the device resource inside NetWorker. We then provide a remote user and password. Once we're finished, hit Escape and Enter to confirm the creation of the resource. We can then go and inspect the resource which we've just created. We could do this in visual mode, but it's usually easier to do this using standard nsradmin commands in order to inspect all of our devices, including the newly created device. The syntax for that is here. We go .type nsr device. We're going to use the show name and just to look at the name column for each of the resources so that we have the correct name for our new device. Then we can print the NSR device details for this one device. And here we have all the configuration details for that device, including a lot of default configuration settings, which were put in there by NetWorker, not specified specifically by us at device creation time. We can then go and modify this resource to fit our needs. In this example, we'll change the target settings from 20 to 30. And the way to do this is using the syntax update property : and the new value. So we'll do update target sessions : 30 in order to change this to 30. And we'll be using the P for print just to check out the configuration again. And then we'll see that this has been changed. So in this way, we can create an NSR device resource for the NetWorker server directly from the command line using the nsradmin program.